but my third eye is going blind. I'm on a line with my body and mind. It's playing tricks, I say I'm fine, but really it's hurting me deep inside. Cause I've been dreaming about you.